Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to log out in Play Store account. So, if you want to log out Play Store from your Android phone, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Literally, when you set up your Android phone, you'll be prompted to sign into your Google account. And if you come to Play Store, you discover that there's an account added to your Play Store. And then, if you want to log out this account, you're supposed to come to the Play Store settings, and then you should see the logout option here. But you cannot log out directly from the Play Store account from the Play Store application. And here's a workaround. So if you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing is go ahead and open the Play Store. Click on the profile icon at the top right. Then identify the Google account or Gmail you used to log into your Play Store. So you'll be able to log out this particular Google account from the Play Store. Then exit the Play Store. Go ahead and open the Settings app. On the Settings app, scroll down. Locate and click on Accounts and Backup. Under Accounts and Backup, click on Manage Accounts. Then click on the Google account or Gmail you logged in on the Play Store. Now the next thing is go ahead and click on Remove Account. Then tap Remove Account from the pop. Before you proceed to tap Remove Account, removing this particular Gmail or Google account from your Android phone will log out Google Play Store, log out Gmail, log out YouTube, and log out Google Drive, log out Google Photo, and all other Google services that are associated with this particular Google account on your Android phone. So go ahead now and tap the Remove Account. This is going to remove the Google account from your phone, and at the end, you discover that the Play Store account has been logged out, and then you need to log in to the Play Store account using another Google account again to use it. So that's exactly how to log out in Play Store account. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.